Hello everybody, what's up? I don't sound so defeated today, I know. Guess what? We got it running. We were a little bit off on our top dead center and we had some timing issues to get solved out. And to be completely honest, we're not 100% there yet. We still got a little bit. We got some carb adjustment issues. We got some timing issues. We still got to get buckled out. Needs clutch. It does need a rear main seal. I did discover that when I was running it. It did drive under its own power. I've got a park across the street, which has got a really big parking lot, and it was all empty. So me and my buddy took it down the road, and tell you what, I'll start this thing up here. Bear with me. The door panel's getting painted inside, and the door handles are apparently on back order, so we'll just deal with it. I know the car looks absolutely filthy right now. Sorry, folks. I'm in engine mode, not detailing insides of car mode, but hang on, it's a little. So we still got some issues to solve, but it runs really rough, it idles really rough. I'm still chasing down vacuum lines also. It's holding decent oil pressure considering. I don't think my fuel gauge is working because I just put about 3 more gallons in the tank today. Yes, we did get it cleaned out. That's all working. Our temp gauge is working. That doesn't work. The fan doesn't work, but the lights all work. My brake or my low fuel light, it works, even though it's I've got gas in there. There's probably 3 gallons of gas in there by now, but threw some seafoam in it today. And what else did I do? Oh, I did I put 93 octane in it because I wanted to go ahead and boost that octane a little bit and try to run some crap out of here. And yeah, so that's where we're at on everything. Hopefully we can get this thing dialed in, and I already know I've got brakes to do before I take it on an actual drive. Haven't even touched those yet. And I know wheels and tires first, and then brakes, but the deal on the wheels and tires was so awesome I couldn't pass that up. And then we got suspension, but like I said, first thing is getting this engine dialed in to where I can comfortably drive this thing and know it's moving on its own power. So anyway, there's my update. See you guys next weekend.